guys, I'd like to apologize for the lack of uploads. I've been really busy. It's been the end of school, I've had finals. Let me give you a snapshot of what my life for the last couple weeks has been like. Okay, teacher, would you like me to pass these out? No, that's one test. Anyways, I'm pretty happy now that so I should have a lot more time to get some recording done, so expect more videos, hopefully. Welcome back, everybody! A few weeks ago, I made a video showing you how to turn one of these disposable cameras into this, a miniature taser. And when I made that video, I promised you guys that I'd show you a test video of me exploring all the capabilities and possibilities with this. So that's what this is right now. So I hope you all enjoy. Okay, so first of all, a little clarification. This right here is not an actual taser, like this. Upcoming video right there. This is just a little shocker circuit. So this is not at all meant to be used in any sort of self-defense scenarios. It's just like when your siblings are being annoying and you want to, like, really enforce, don't annoy me, that sort of thing. Oh yeah, and sorry if I'm sounding kind of not very excited right now. It's very early morning and I just woke up, so. You know, sometimes I wonder why I make all these crazy projects like this. And I think it's because in my head, I'm seeing a scenario like this. You know, it's a normal day, you're walking home, you're just going through an alley, and then this happens. Well, hello there. Are you sure this is good place for you to be all alone? Ha 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 ha. Chose the wrong person to pick on. And even though that's not a really realistic scenario, some crazy project I made would never actually help me in a field like that. It's just really fun to think about. So, to test this out, I attached the taser to the front of this disposable car from Walmart. And now, when we drive it around and it drives into something, it'll shock it. All we have to do is press this red button, and now it will constantly be charging up, and then it will shock anything it drives into. Okay, my brother's sitting on the couch over there. Let's go get him. Ow! Go away, I'm trying to play FORTNITE. Okay, this wouldn't be a test video if I didn't actually use it. So here's a compilation of me shocking a bunch of stuff. Dude, you better back up. I've got a shocker. I am from the clan McGregor. If you ever call me British, snap your wee little neck